Well, hello everyone. Today I was in a meeting and found out that the problems that I was talking about yesterday with the AEC menu and the stuff not working properly, well, don't worry about it. They're throwing everything in there away except for the one thing that they added, which was the what version is it running. So, the stuff that doesn't work, I'm not gonna really worry about fixing. Instead, I'm gonna use uh, my time better to teach people how to customize the workspace and make it more efficient rather than spending a lot of time trying to troubleshoot the problems that they create. Maybe I'll troubleshoot a few things that are getting in the way, but more of it's going to be is how to work around all the issues with the things that are in there. So, what I've done now is I restored the configuration right back to the way they deliver it, and I'm not going to touch much of it at all. I'll try to minimize anything I touch inside of there because they're in charge of delivering it and they're in charge of the problems. So, first thing I'm going to show you now is how to migrate this to a network folder. So, if you don't work on your by yourself on your own hard drive and you want to put this someplace else other than on your C drive program data, you could take this thing, cut it out of program data, and stick it on another drive. So in my case, let's just take it over here to D, and I'm just going to drop it right here on the root of D. Well, that copies over. Then the next thing that we're going to have to do is figure out what we need to change inside of each C drive program data Bentley folders to get it to point to this new location. So, it won't take too long to get there. Now, now that I've moved it over to the D drive, I'm going to go in and find Bentley, and I'm going to find the different folders that are designed to work with this workspace. And there's four softwares that are designed to work with this workspace, and that's MicroStation, Open Buildings Connect Edition, Open Roads Designer, and Pro Structures. So those are the places that we need to edit. So I'm going to come in here to MicroStation Configuration, go into Configuration Setup, and where it has UStation Custom Configuration, what I need to do is replace this with the path to where the AEC WS folder is. So now that I've moved it to a network location, I just need to change that to D colon, because that's where I moved it to. And I'm going to repeat this for all of the four softwares. So I'm going to hit save on this one. And to make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to just copy this file that I already fixed and go to Open Roads Designer configuration and paste it in there. Then I'm going to go to Open Buildings Designer Connect Edition configuration, paste it in here. And then I'm going to go over here to Pro Structures Connect Edition configuration and paste the same file in there. Now if I want to test this, I'm going to start MicroStation. And notice I'm seeing my AEC workspace, my AEC workset. If I show all properties, I can click on this folder and it should take me to the D drive, which it did. So things should be working. That simple. Join me again the next time and I'll start showing you some customization.